Darwin, don't eat too fast. Don't eat fast too quickly. Okay. So, I'm in the great vampire. I don't think. Alright, it's the maid. Yike. Maybe we could have. Maybe we could have been.
Yeah.
It's
It's not real jade. It's jade ice. So it's like Bella Luce jade.
Come on, say something. Okay.
Oh yes,
the
Louise!
Yoink! I
the weather is
try
humid
that. I got a bit of
Tubby! Hey, how about...
Oh, these hiccups! Dang it!